Hello, my name is Néstor Mauricio Chaparro. I am a student from the Information System Analysis and Development program. The starting point for the project was finding a way to derive a solution to a real problem in estanco nitrolicores, where we offered a real solution to the presented issue. Estanco Nitrolicores was born in 2010. Company that manages the distribution of liquors, sweet drink, and variety of local products. Taking this as our starting point, we will develop an independent, self-sufficient, developed what high quality has alone in the competitive in the market. The system is going to the chart of starting in the optimized and organized way the information about the products. Company receives from the suppliers will be able to generate purchase and sales cost reports, provide inventories, and the availability of information in real time. With this software, we identified to solve two problems identified with the inventory. The necessity to have an information system capable of issuing alerts and creating reports on the expiration date of product. Inventory control to avoid losses due to products that meet their expiration date and are still in the stock. Yet, a sales software, so that the unit sold are alerts direct from the storage inventories. Inventory management more efficient. Avoid inconsistencies in the inventory and improve the response time to the client. Improve the profit in the company. Tanco Licores manual inventory is current handled, in which the entry of merchandise not properly recorded is terms of expiration date. Situation was evidenced through user interventions. The development process. It is important to be secure and to have unrestricted access to the information. So the information must be concentrated on a single server. Be restricted access to the only certain users access to it. Control will be done under a password and username. Control the access to different modules according to the role played by the user. The close storage of the application to ensure availability. To design a friendly and intuitive interface for the user. Allow the system to be used properly and easily, speeding up their daily tasks. For example, suppliers, product, shopping. The system will, in automated process, will be capable of storing important information, processing purchase and sales. We visualized our information system as a web application with the utility of obtaining daily report on product close to the rate expiration date and unload the inventory by return it the suppliers or unloading it due to loss. To sum up, the two principal problems were identified at Stanco Litrolicores through interviews, as the control of the merchandise mean knowing the amounts of product bought and sold on the rotation of product, which mean losses for the company that present product that are too close to its expiration date. For this problem, we gave the following solution. A system where a control access I in this case, this is Nitrolicore's case, and user and password. Also develop using modulo. This is our modulo. All the advantages present be implemented this information system to reduce the risk of having product that are about to expire in stock, reduce the purchase of product with little rotation, to purchase product with high demands, to improve the stock of product that resist high product needs. Another advantage has seller failure of more demand, price update, and inventory control.